Namaste, friends. Today, I thank you people for liking, sharing, subscribing my channel, and please keep on doing that. And today, I'm going to show you how to make butter. So for that, first we need to collect the cream of the milk and collect it in a box and add 2 spoons of curd to it, and then keep the box in the refrigerator, not in the freezer. So every day we need to collect the cream of the milk and keep it in the refrigerator, and once the box is filled with the cream, then we need to take it out, then add cold water to it and blend it in a mixie jar. Then when you blend it for 10 to 15 minutes, you will get the butter nicely. Then you can use it for everything. So shall we see how to make butter? Okay. Like this, we need to collect the cream and slowly transfer it to the mixie jar. One point I want to tell is, whenever you collect the cream into that container, you need to mix the cream and curd very well with the spoon so that the butter forms easily. So once you transfer the whole cream into the jar, add cold water to it and grind it for 10 to 15 minutes. You get the butter. Thanks for watching.